Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I wire my 3-gang Sonoff wall switch. So as you can see here, I have a T2 UK3C 3-gang Sonoff wall switch which requires neutral, but this the original this wire here does not has any neutral coming from the wall. So what I did was, if you see on the right, this switch, 20 amp switch, actually comes with neutral and live wire. So what I did was, I just wire the neutral from this switch to my Sonoff. So with that wire up, my Sonoff can be powered on using the neutral from this switch. At the same time, would not interfere with the relay flowing live connection from this live wire to the lights that I have here in my upper hall room. Okay, I hope that helps for those that does not have neutral wire on their original wall switch, but have maybe 20 amp switch for air conditioners or heaters. You might want to open up the switch next to this switch just to see whether there's any neutral you can use. So other than that, you might also sometimes see that there will be a 3-pin socket next to the switch you are trying to replace with a smart switch. So if you have a 3-pin or 2-pin power outlet next to the switch that you are replacing, that power outlet must have a neutral which you can use to wire to your smart switch. I hope that helps, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you.